This is Planet Pulse for Thursday, March 3rd. The moon shifts from Aquarius to Pisces this morning. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. The moon's shift into Pisces often softens our stance against the world, sometimes confuses it. But, Pisces is a sign that has to do with imagination. It has to do with dreaming, and it has to do with compassion. And when the moon is in Pisces, the boundaries between ourselves and other people are often softened. And although it's the primary filter, today we have other stuff cooking that I think could actually resharpen some of those boundaries.
Yeah, absolutely. Well put. We've got some contrast here. Diffusive Pisces. The moon in Pisces is contrasted by two aspects with Pluto, this tiny planet, and we astrologers still consider it a planet. Pluto is very concentrated and dense, and we have two aspects. We have Mercury, the planet of intellect, forming a creative quintile with Pluto, and we have Mars, the planet of action, forming a harmonious 60-degree sextile with Pluto.
Yeah, and in ancient astrology, Mars was connected with Scorpio, and in modern astrology, Pluto has taken over. My point being here that Mars and Pluto have affinity. And today, with the sextile between Mars and Pluto, there's a sense of really being able to use our energy to get to energy that we normally have stored in places that are so deep that they're hard to bring to the surface. And today we have the ability, we have the opportunity to take that energy from these deep places, bring it up and do something with it.
Absolutely. That moon in Pisces spurs imagination, and yet Pluto allows us or helps us find the resources to act on, to articulate, and act upon it. In a sense, it's almost as if the moon in Pisces helps us relax. Maybe it's the anesthesia. But Pluto deepens us and allows us to do the surgery. As long as we're gentle about it, this can be a very productive day. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine, reminding you to check the pulse of the planets here every day on Planet Pulse.